If you're over 65 and living in the United States, there's something you need to hear right now. The way you spend the final hour before bed could be silently accelerating vision loss or protecting your eyesight for years to come. Most seniors believe macular degeneration, glaucoma, and blurry night vision are simply unavoidable parts of aging. But here's what many people don't realize. Your eyes perform critical repair work while you sleep, and certain nighttime habits common in American households are either supporting that repair or sabotaging it. Tonight, before you turn off the lights, what you do could make the difference between preserving your sight or slowly losing it. As we age, our eyes become more vulnerable to oxidative stress, inflammation, and reduced circulation. According to the National Eye Institute, age-related macular degeneration is one of the leading causes of vision loss in Americans over 60. Cataracts affect more than half of Americans by age 80. Glaucoma often progresses silently without symptoms. But here's the encouraging part. Lifestyle habits, especially those that influence sleep quality, blood sugar, and inflammation, can significantly impact how quickly these conditions develop. Let's start with one of the most damaging nighttime habits in the U.S., late-night screen exposure. Many seniors unwind by watching television, scrolling on a tablet, or checking their phones in bed. The blue light emitted from screens suppresses melatonin production. Melatonin is not just a sleep hormone, it's also a powerful antioxidant that protects retinal cells from damage. When melatonin production drops, your eyes lose part of their natural overnight defense system. Research supported by the American Academy of Ophthalmology has shown that prolonged blue light exposure may contribute to digital eye strain and long-term retinal stress. Reducing screen exposure at least 1 hour before bed allows melatonin to rise naturally, supporting both deeper sleep and retinal recovery. Another common U.S. habit that harms overnight eye repair is late-night snacking on high-sugar foods. Ice cream, cookies, pastries, and sweet cereals are staples in many American households. But here's the issue. Sugar spikes blood glucose levels, and elevated blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels that nourish your retina. Over time, this contributes to diabetic retinopathy and accelerates age-related damage. Even in seniors without diabetes, blood sugar swings increase inflammation and oxidative stress. Choosing protein-based snacks like Greek yogurt, a handful of almonds, or a boiled egg helps stabilize glucose levels and supports uninterrupted nighttime repair. Hydration is another overlooked factor. Many seniors reduce fluid intake in the evening to avoid nighttime bathroom trips. While that's understandable, mild dehydration thickens the tear film and worsens dry eye symptoms. Dry eyes are extremely common in American seniors, especially in dry indoor environments with heating or air conditioning. Drinking a small glass of water an hour before bed or eating hydrating foods like yogurt or cucumber supports tear production without significantly disrupting sleep. Now let's talk about circulation. The retina is one of the most metabolically active tissues in the body. It requires constant oxygen and nutrient delivery. Poor cardiovascular health, which affects nearly half of American adults, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, directly impacts eye health. Gentle evening movement, such as a 10-minute walk around your neighborhood or light stretching, improves circulation and supports nutrient delivery to the eyes before sleep. Even simple chair exercises can enhance blood flow without overstimulating the body. Another powerful nighttime protector of vision is magnesium. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels and supports deeper sleep cycles. Many Americans are mildly deficient in magnesium due to processed food consumption. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, and leafy greens provide magnesium that supports both sleep quality and eye circulation. Better sleep means more effective tissue repair throughout the body, including the optic nerve. Let's address alcohol, another common evening habit. A glass of wine may feel relaxing, but alcohol dehydrates the body and disrupts REM sleep. REM sleep is essential for neurological restoration and visual processing recovery. Alcohol also increases inflammation and can worsen dry eye symptoms the following morning. Limiting alcohol intake, especially within 3 hours of bedtime, protects both sleep cycles and eye hydration. Now consider your bedroom environment. Many seniors sleep with televisions on or with small night lights glowing. Even low-level light exposure reduces melatonin production. Darkness signals your brain to initiate repair processes. Using blackout curtains and eliminating light sources supports deeper sleep and improved overnight healing. Your eyes need darkness to reset. Diet during the day also influences nighttime repair. Nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the macula and act as internal protective filters. These antioxidants are found in spinach, kale, eggs, and corn. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed support retinal cell structure. When consumed consistently, these nutrients enhance your eye's resilience during sleep. Let's also discuss medications. Some common prescriptions used in the U.S., including certain antihistamines and blood pressure medications, can contribute to dry eye symptoms. If you regularly wake with irritated or burning eyes, discussing side effects with your healthcare provider may help identify contributing factors. Sleep apnea is another critical issue. Millions of Americans over 65 suffer from undiagnosed sleep apnea. Interrupted breathing reduces oxygen delivery to the optic nerve, increasing the risk of glaucoma. If you snore heavily or wake feeling unrefreshed, evaluation for sleep apnea could protect not just your heart, but your vision. Temperature and humidity matter too. Dry indoor air during winter months worsens tear evaporation. Using a bedside humidifier can significantly reduce overnight dryness and irritation. Consistency is key. Your eyes respond to habits performed nightly. A single healthy evening won't reverse years of strain, but repeated protective actions can slow progression and preserve clarity. It's also important to manage stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which increases inflammation throughout the body, including the eyes. Gentle breathing exercises before bed lower stress hormones and improves sleep quality. Weight management plays a role as well. Excess weight increases the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and vascular damage, all of which directly impact vision. Even modest improvements in diet and activity support long-term eye health. Let's talk about one more overlooked factor: timing of medications and supplements. Taking certain supplements like omega-3s or zinc with your evening meal may improve absorption and availability during sleep. Always consult your healthcare provider before adjusting supplement routines. The encouraging news is this: your eyes are resilient. They are designed to repair themselves when given proper support. The problem is not aging alone. It's the combination of aging and harmful habits. Imagine replacing late-night scrolling with quiet reading under warm lighting. Imagine swapping sugary desserts for a handful of walnuts. Imagine dimming lights, turning off the TV, taking a short walk, and allowing your body to shift into recovery mode. These small adjustments create a powerful protective effect over time. Many seniors who improve their nighttime habits report waking with clearer vision, less dryness, and reduced eye fatigue. These changes are subtle at first, but meaningful over months and years. Protecting your vision after 65 is not about one miracle solution. It's about stacking small, science-backed habits that support your eye's natural repair cycle. Your sight allows you to see your grandchildren's faces, drive safely, read your favorite books, and maintain independence. Preserving it is worth a few mindful changes each evening. To summarize, reducing screen exposure, stabilizing blood sugar, supporting hydration, improving circulation, sleeping in darkness, and managing inflammation are 7 powerful nighttime habits that protect vision in American seniors. Your eyes repair themselves during sleep, but only if you create the right conditions. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next.